Wait, is it just this one?
They used repetitive patterns to produce music, and in principle it's very simple because you have only repetitive patterns. Reacts to shadow. So when the light is going out, all of them think it's shadow. I very often use the word mirror because the object reflects in a certain way the behavior of the human person, but in a transformed manner. And for me, the aesthetics is in the interaction. I wouldn't call it a musical object, I would call it a reaction object which uses sound for showing certain time patterns. I want to provoke a kind of reflection.